All right, guys, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to install an OEM side skirt. I look at everywhere on Facebook, everywhere on YouTube. I couldn't find it. Everybody's putting aftermarket side skirt. I like that OEM look. I think the car looks better like that. It looks cleaner. As you can see, I touch up mine in the bottom. And this is what I'm using right there. I'll clean it up with some brake cleaner, let it dry, then I hit it with it. It looks great. So I'm going to show you how to rip it off and how to install it. And this is going to be my first video on that, even though I'm going to do more work to this car. Today is the video I'm showing you how to install side skirt in your Acura Integra. First thing I'm going to tell you right now, this is how it looks when you take it off, right? You see this clip right here? I'm missing one there, but you see these clips? They're not broken. Perfect. Well, this clip's got to come out. And if we're going to install them, we're going to use side skirt. As you can see, I'm missing one there, but the side skirt is right there on this vehicle. That's the one we're using. You got 4 bolts on the bottom. Let me show you the one that I got to take off. This is the one that came with it, that car. I don't like them. But you can see, look how beat up they are. But this is underneath the car. And you can use a little Phillip. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plastic Phillip that you gotta take off. Or in my case, they didn't want to come on this car, rip them off. And then you got your clips all the way around. On this right here, it's sealed. I don't know why, but it's sealed right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's sealed. So I only put these 3, came out great. I'm gonna touch up the side skirt later on. That side skirt is trimmed to make it look more nice. And I'm gonna keep moving on with everything else. But that's what I'm gonna do. So first thing first, I'm gonna put my gloves on. I'm gonna rip off that side skirt over there. I'm sorry, it's cold. It's cold as Florida. If you're not from Florida, you'll be laughing at me, right? And after I rip off that side skirt, then I'm gonna move on to the next thing. And so that's it. We're gonna take out the side skirt and we're gonna take it apart. I'm gonna bring it right here. We're gonna touch it up. We're gonna paint it, make it look real nice, and then put these away in that car so they can take it away. And then I can back up this car out of here and call the tow truck guy. Tell him come pick it up. I don't need it. All right, guys, let's get to it. Some of these cars, like the EF and stuff like that, those have some bolt screws right here in the corner. They have some, I'll put this right here. Use my screwdriver as, there you go, leveler. So some of these right here in the corner have some screws on it, and some of them have it on the back. This one doesn't have them at all. So I want to do, start ripping this off real quick. This one's already gone. And the reason I'm doing this is because I'm putting brand new ones in. So now you take these off. It's very easy. Go forward. That's it. So remember the ones that I needed? So this one's already missing 1, 2. So I'm gonna grab a couple from here. I wanna put them in my side skirt after I finish painting it. I'm gonna put it on. Let's do it, right? As you can see, this is the side skirt that came original in the car. This is the side skirt of this Integra that I just took off. You see how perfect it is on the bottom? Nice. Compared to this one, I'll screw up. And this is the one on the other side. I mean, somebody can give you $20 for them. They can put on an Integra. But so this was pretty clean. It's just dirt. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run some brake cleaner. I'm gonna pick this up. You can pick these up in advance out of part or whatever. All right, not much to do on this. It's basically you're gonna spray all that dirt. Make sure all that dirt goes out. You can see the dirt's gonna go out. You can push your finger through it if you want to. And do it again. Okay. Flip it around. Remember, this is the area that nobody's gonna see. You can see somebody had a nice scrape on it. But this is the area that everybody's gonna see. Now you let it dry out. Again, I'm building this Integra from ground up, zero. If you watch my previous video, I can tell you how much shit I've done to this car. In the future, it's gonna get painted. It's gonna get the side, these things removed because the Type R doesn't have those. That's in the future. Right now, my main goal is get it running, get all this harness and mesh back together in there. I might even, thinking of moving this baby up to the front garage, and so I can do the harnesses and stuff like that in the garage, not out here in the back. But first I need to put the brakes and all that shit together, and then move it up front. But today, my stock shirt looks amazing. I can touch that up later on. I need to put the radiator support, and the bumper is right over there. I gotta fix it, put it together, put it back there, do this side. See how the fenders bend a little bit? I gotta keep playing with it because it's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be more out. That's another day. I might order new fenders. I don't know yet. I might order whole front end. I mean, the radiator support is fine. Just need hood fenders for that, and I can keep that one for spare. And that's the only one good. That's the only good wheel that I got. I might keep, I don't know. I might keep that one and send the other three to the junkyard because they're bent. Well, this one needs a wheel, a tire. I don't know. Let's see whatever you're gonna do. I mean, if you have a set of those laying around and you don't want them to give to me, I can take them. I know for a fact that one got a dent right there. I don't know if the tires are holding or not. These have 15-inch wheels. These are 17. I think it's 17. Well, yeah. So now it's dry. Take a few minutes. I'm telling you, take a few minutes. See how nice dry and the brake cleaner, what it does, it takes that grease, take everything away. So the first thing you want to do, I mean, you do whatever you want, but the first thing I'm going to do is spray a light coat on it. And what that does, making sure that's thick. Of course, the wind is not going to help today. did the other one yesterday with no wind. Man, what the hell? A hurricane and then winter frosting? Oh my God, what the hell's going on with the world? I'm not supposed to have winter until December, it's my birthday. And I went to the cabin. I'll be freezing my ass. You don't know, I'm from Puerto Rico, man. Even though I've been here to the state for 30 plus years, I'm still Puerto Rican. We Puerto Rican don't like the cold. Watch TikTok, there's a lot of Puerto Rican wear like jacket heavy. They live here in Florida, they wear like this heavy duty jacket on one of them. Now I'm gonna let that sit for a few minutes. And I'm gonna let that sit for a few minutes right here. So that can dry out. It's supposed to look like that when it dries out until that's still wet. So let me see. All right guys, so you can see now it's dry. I'm gonna wait about 10 minutes for this. So I'm gonna flip it around. I'm gonna do the other side. Do the thing. You see how nice it took? So now we're gonna spray it a little bit more. I mean, you do whatever you want guys to do. You can paint it black, but this product will look this like an OEM, like it came out of a factory like that, man. And this is what the body shop use when you take your car to the body shop to get it not restored, but you get it painted and you're like, oh man, I need my car painted, I want all my molding to look good. Well, this is what they use, buddy. We picked this up in the automotive place here locally. You can pick up anywhere. Oh, I mean, I give you the can code. You can order online if you want to. And yes, you can do runs like I just did. The fucking thing. I'm not a Picasso, but hopefully it comes out good. All right. Just remember, this is what it is. Just a few minutes, it will be dry. That's cold. So let it sit. All right, guys. So with that is waiting for what's it called? To get. I'm gonna take this right here. Show you how to take this off. Get a flathead screwdriver. Underneath, just wiggle it little by little. Remember, this has been here for 30 years. See, you don't want to do that. That's garbage. I'm gonna take it out so you can see. You can wiggle it, and it comes out like that. But as soon as you break it, it's garbage. So let's try this one. And this is why I love buying. There we go. See, that's the way you gotta take it out. Now, you come here. The easiest way that I found out to do this is not put in there and jack it off forward like you saw me taking it apart. Oh, by the way, before I touch it, check it out. It looks amazing, huh? Looks like a. Oh yeah, look. Ah, okay. So the best way to do it is not going in there and trying to jam it up, like put it on the vehicle and try to loose it out. The best way to do it, you put it in here and click it in place. So that's the way you should be doing it like this. Not going in there and book it back because you're gonna break them. So now I gotta take what, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6 more from that car. Hopefully I don't break them. I want to put them there. I want to put the camera off. I want to put them there, and now I'll show you how to install them. All right, guys. So I already got all the clips on, and I'm gonna take it. Remember, these I want to buy them later on. I want to show you what to buy. You can go to like Amazon, Heaven, or even Amazon and get them. All right. Put you guys right here. You can see the action. So basically, it's very easy. You come here, you line up the holes. Make sure everything's up. You line up the holes there, the hole here, and that's it. Boom. And that's it. And of course, to make sure, go underneath and bolt them up. But that's it. Nothing to it. So I'm gonna retouch this later on. The same way I did that, I'm gonna touch that on. I gotta go to a junkyard, get a door handle. I do have the lights inside the house. Guys, this is it for the door replacing OEM side skirts on my clone Integra. So one day I will get the Type R's one, and when I do, I'll replace them and I'll show you how to do it again. So guys, hit like, hit share, subscribe. That was it for today on that, replacing the side skirts on Integra.